So today I'm going to be talking about the Oculus Quest and also unboxing it. So when you first receive your Oculus Quest, it will come in a box like this, except in the plastic wrap. And to get it out of the cover, you slide it out like this. And now you will see a lid with the Oculus symbol on it. So that would be the top. You want to go ahead and grab it from the edges and lift up the lid. And now you can put it aside. So the first thing you are going to see is this. And now it may look, I'll cut that part. So the first thing you will see is this. Now you may be a little confused on what everything is, and that's okay. So I cut that part as well. All right, so the first thing you will see when you open the box is this. This is a headset. These two are the controllers, and this is a box with the cables, the manual, and a charger. So first, you would want to take this out. It opens with the Oculus Quest on the top. You take it out. And what you see when you first open this will be this. So the first thing you want to do is take out the spaceship for glasses. This is very important to not scratch the lenses on your Oculus Quest if you are wearing glasses. This is a charger base. It is charged with a USB-C to C cable, which is also included. And then you have this smaller box, which this was resting. So when you first unbox this USB-C to C cable will be inside of here, right above below the manuals. So when you first get it, go ahead and read the manuals, and then you can put that aside. So the next thing is you want to grab your headset. And you might say, I have a smaller head than that. It's not going to fit me. Okay, that little head thing. So to fix that problem, you would adjust these velcro straps on the side. Pull it as tight or as loose as you need it. Same with the top. So to get it adjusted to your head, you will unfasten all of these and you will put it on your face like this. Then you will adjust the velcro as needed to have the weight resting on the back of your head. You don't want any weight on your nose. So when you do that and you fasten all the straps, your Oculus Quest is ready. So when you first turn on the Oculus Quest, you will use the power button on the right side of the headset. Yeah. So you will turn it on, you will connect it to your phone using an Oculus account or a Facebook account. And if yours is dead, you can charge it with the USB-C port on the left side of the Oculus Quest. And there's also buttons on the bottom. So this is for volume because it has built-in speakers. And this is to adjust the length of the lenses. It uses a measurement of how far apart your pupils are. So if they're If the lenses are too close together, it will look blurry. So you adjust that until the picture is no longer blurry. Then after that, you can set your Oculus headset down. Remember to never have the Oculus Quest lenses in direct sunlight for any amount of time, no matter what, because it will burn in the image of the screen. So the next thing you would be unboxing are these. These are the Oculus Quest controllers. These are like your joysticks on a Xbox PlayStation controller, except instead of just moving forwards, backwards, left, and right, they can also move up and down. They have X, Y, and Z. So that's what makes these so different from your normal controller. So to add the battery, you would want to remove this latch here. It's right under the Oculus button. So you push down on it, like that. It's held together by magnets. So you push down, you put the battery in negative first. Then you can place it back on. Slide it up gently, and it will snap back into place. So for the controller layout, there is the trigger button. This button is to simulate your 3 fingers grabbing. This one's specifically for the index finger. There is a joystick here for moving, either moving your character or moving your head. And there is a B button with a Y and X button on the left controller. But everything else is the same. So after that, after you set up the Oculus Quest, you would go into the App Store, and I'll play a demo of Beat Saber showing you what the App Store would look like a few versions ago. So I'll do that right now. You can cut that, or I'll do that right now part as well. So this is what the Oculus Quest menu looked like a few versions ago. So it's still the same UI, still the same layout, but it looks more detailed, more polished. So here we're going to show a Beat Saber demo. And to select an item in the menu, you will use the trigger for your index finger. All right, that was the Beat Saber demo. And now I will show you educational games that you can use playing the Oculus Quest that are really And now I will show you more games you can play on the Oculus Quest.
You can help your child achieve their math skills wherever they are. Try the game lets you level up learning anytime. Virtual reality is an amazing technology when it comes to learning and education, and the Oculus Quest is no best educational experiences that you can use on the Oculus Quest to both pass the time and one of the best and most educational is Titans of Space Plus. In this experience, you head out on a guided tour of our solar system with your friendly and knowledgeable tour guide. There's actually 2 hours of fun.
I actually can't just place video together. All right, that was other video games you can play with the Oculus Quest. That is the end of this session. Thank you.